It's video that's now got thousands upon thousands of views on social media. A man shovels snow onto a car, repeatedly burying it.
Look at our car right now. Look at our car.
That's the car's owner, Paula Macias, reacting to what you see as well. Her SUV covered in snow on Monday afternoon, shortly after the blizzard started tapering off, hours after the man shoveled it in.
It was like literally above this.
On Wednesday, Macias talked about what had happened as she surveyed her car, which she said took her, her husband, and her 3 children 2 hours to dig out.
We've had ongoing issues with this man. He literally lives right next door to me.
The snow issue started Sunday night, but the dispute goes back months. The man who shoveled in the car has complained to them about their dog, a Belgian Shepherd, since last summer. Macias says the man has harassed them repeatedly. On Sunday, her husband asked the man who was shoveling a neighbor's driveway next to their car to not put snow on their car. Instead,
"We're throwing the snow out in the street. You continue to throw the snow on our car."
Eventually, the man stopped. Until the following day, that's when someone recorded the now viral video of the man burying Macias's SUV, which she said he also scratched up. Now, there are at least 2 sides to every story, and in the interest of fairness and balance, we, as always, sought out all sides. We were able to track down the man who buried Macias's car under a mound of snow. He admitted that he did it, but called it a petty dispute and claimed he did nothing wrong. But other people apparently disagree. Macias said they've told her they couldn't believe what they saw. Now thousands worldwide have seen it. She said she called police to the scene who didn't take action at the time. But now Macias says she's going to file a criminal complaint and try to get protection.
I feel that's vandalism. I feel it's harassment at this point because it was purposely done to my car out of hate.